Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to get to the online textbook through Schoology. So on my Schoology page, I have this yellow folder called Online Textbook. You can open it up, it has a couple of things in it. The online textbook link is all you really need, but I also have redemption instructions if you're on a computer or if you're on an app. If you have an iPad or a phone that you want to use this on, you'll have to do the app, otherwise do the computer, and then username and password help. But it's just your first name and your last name, and hopefully you know that. So I'm going to open up the textbook link. Also, if you don't have the link, you can just type in the URL that's up here. We're going to go ahead and type in your username and your password. So username is your first name and your last name and 1920 without any spaces. Cal, I hope you don't mind that I'm going to use your information. So Cal Hart 1920, and then password is WMS 1920. The WMS has to be capitalized, and there's no spaces here as well. So I'm now on the website. You can see here it already has the Earth Science textbook, but we're going to go over here to this corner and click Join a Class. And now we can enter the code for the physical science textbook. If you're looking to get the earth science textbook, the passcode is also up here, probably over here somewhere. So you can do the exact same thing, just with the other code. So I have my code in here. Again, this is for physical science. You can also put in the code for earth science and get the earth science textbook. So click submit. And now you should see, let me move this. You have your physical science textbook. So whether you have earth science or physical science, you'll just click on the book to open it up. It'll bring you to this page, which you don't truly need. You just need this button over here. So you're opening the ebook, shows up like that. You can navigate a couple different ways. One, you can download down to the cover here, delete that, and say you want to go to page 100. Type in 100, press enter, and it'll bring you to this page here. Then once you're here, you can use these sidebars to go back and forth. Also, this might open up in a new tab, or it might come up in a new window. Either way, if you have a pop-up on, it might block it, so turn off your pop-up blocker if it's not opening. If you have any questions, let me know or let your teacher know, and we can help you out. Thanks so much. Have a great day, everyone, and please enjoy the textbook.